So I've done a little bit of work since the last video I recorded. I just been trying to get it done and doing that and thinking about recording is not easy when you don't do stuff all the time. So I had to cut this concrete here to get through the footing because I won't be able to drill through it. This is the auger that I got. It's 3 feet long, 4 inch in diameter. And I took a SDS Max chisel bit that is practically brand new, but it wasn't cutting better than the one I got from Depot that I've used a lot. So I cut the chisel off, drilled a hole through it with Irwin multi-material bits. It destroyed the bits, but they did drill through it. I completely forgot that I put 20 amp outlets in each end of this basement, which is turning out really nice. And this is the new jackhammer. Weighs about 40 pounds, I think. With $136 off eBay. Works pretty good. I don't know how well the camera's gonna like it. And it has a trigger lock. Now this here is fairly fresh concrete. It's about 6 months old, maybe. Doesn't want to touch this though. But I did pour this 6 inches thick too. I think it's stuck. Good thing I got 2 bits. Where I am right now, there is mesh, a 6-inch mesh, and there's no mesh in this part. I don't know if that requires 20 amps. Actually, judging by the cord, it doesn't. So this is the original concrete, 113 or 123 years old, something like that. I don't know if back in the day they didn't make the footing wider than the wall, but it doesn't seem to get any wider. Battery's about to die. So I do not know if I have to cut further back in the concrete. I'd rather not right now. Not the plan. But plans are made to be broken. Just like rules. One problem with rotary hammers, there's no reverse. So I freed the bit with a pair of vice grips. And I gotta go in a little and pull it out, in a little and pull it out. I hope this is long enough. I cut this chisel bit. I just barely cut the chisel off where it was round to fit in the auger. At least this clay doesn't stink. Hey look, blue clay. That clay like never smelled bad. So this auger bit was $20 on eBay. And then after I bought it, the seller increased the price to $86. This is not an $86 bit. It weighs about 2 pounds. Let's see. Okay. I should be there. I might be at the wrong angle. Made room for the rotary hammer here. Because it should be long enough. I think I need to do what I don't want to do, and that's take the dry well out. I'll try and find that cover at Home Depot. Looks like I need to clean it out anyways. I've actually got a new one because I wanted a backup. But if I need it, I have it. Oh, I don't know if I can pull the dry well out of here. Because I got this piece of PVC pipe under the concrete. Actually, no, I know that comes out. Well, not anymore, I guess. I forgot to glue the joint. But now it must be packed full of clay because that leaks a little bit of water around it. Now, what I can do is guess at where that is. Cut a hole in the dry well and manually find it. So I cut a 2 3/8 hole, which looks like it's in line. Looks like. Now I guess I try and run my piece of 2-inch pipe through that 4-inch auger, 2-inch pipe. Should work, right? And my auger adapter, it was flexible. It allowed the bit to go downhill. Drilling a hole with a piece of pipe. Hopefully, I don't get it stuck in there.